茶
茶
Tea, cha, is the beverage most representative of Chinese culture. Proper etiquette dictates that guests are treated to cha. Many outstanding Chinese poems were created in the company of cha. Originating in China, cha is divided into green tea, black tea, yellow tea, dark tea, and white tea according to its color. The procedures for drinking cha are delightful. Cha, water, wares, and fire are indispensable when making cha. The shape, color, and fragrance of cha are quite important. The water should be clear and sweet. The fire should be clean without odor. The chinaware and purple clay tea sets are widely used. People feel closer to nature by drinking cha.
茶
茶